Hello guys, welcome back. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to create our first project within the VS Code, and then we will open this project inside of Cursor. So in the real world, if you have wherever your code is located, you're going to refer that code inside of your Visual Studio Code, and then you can open the same project inside of Cursor as well, and then you can start making changes through Cursor. So first important thing here is this is a folder that I've created on desktop called Codebase, and this is where I'm going to create my first project. So from the command palette, you're going to either click on Control-Shift-P, and here you will go and look for Create Project with Manifest. So this is the project I'm creating the project with manifest. What type of project it is, I'm going to choose standard. What is the name of the project? I'm going to say Cursor Project 1, and this is the name of my project, and then click enter here. And where do you want this project to be available? I'm going to go over to the desktop, select my folder, and create the project. Once you do that, this is the project that you have been created inside of VS Code. The next important thing is you also need to authorize an org as well. So in order to do that, you're going to go ahead and do Control-Shift-P and look for authorize an org. I already have authorized an org here, but I will show you what you can do is in order to authorize. So Control-Shift-P, or you can go over from here, view command palette. So either you can do Control-Shift-P, or you can go to view and click on command palette. And when you do that here, look for authorize an org. And the first link that comes here, because you have Visual Studio Code and you got the extension pack, you will see all these SFDX command here. So we'll click on authorize an org. Now we will go ahead and use this URL login, and then we will call this as Deepika Cursor Project org 1. Okay, this is the one here. Now it's going to open up the Salesforce login window. I already have a developer's account, so I'm going to just directly log in using my credentials. Click on that, and then here it will say authentication successful, and you will see your connected org over here on the bottom left hand side. So what we have done so far is we have created a project through manifest, and then also we have authorized an org. Now we will go over to the cursor. So let's go ahead and open cursor here. And what we're going to do is we're going to open the project that we have created inside of Visual Studio Code over here. Okay, so you can go ahead and do file, open folder. You can go and then select this folder, and you can either collect from here. So from here, you can see the complete folder is there. Another important thing you need to do is you have to go to the settings, and under the settings, you click on this gear icon that you see here. Click on that settings, and here you see import settings from VS Code. So go ahead and click on this import button, and basically what it does, it will import the settings, it will import extensions and key bindings from VS Code. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. Are you sure this replaces your settings and extensions with your VS Code ones? This cannot be undone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm here, and that is successful. Only a couple of things you cannot import it because those were not available inside of Cursor Marketplace. So that's why. But this is how you can import your VS Code settings. You click on settings here, and then you click on import settings from VS Code. Click this import button, confirm it, and you'll be able to import your extensions, everything from there. Okay, so here if I go and look for Salesforce extension pack, and you can see here, this has already been available. Similarly, Salesforce CLI, you can also see that this is also available inside of Cursor. Okay, so both these extensions, you are able to get it from VS Code. When you launch VS Code, right now, the thing is, I already have configured Cursor, but if you don't, there is an option to open a project, and just take from that option, open a project, you basically open that particular project that you just created inside of VS Code, and your project, you're going to see it over here. So if you go back to over here, click on this icon, the left one, and you will see all your projects. Okay, so this is about setting up your project inside of Cursor as well as inside of VS Code. I hope this lecture is making more sense now. Things are trying to come together. and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.